Hey guys, it's me Indigo, and I am going to answer the questions at last about my hair. I get so many questions when I go live and on my videos about my hair, and like, oh, who does it, and how long did it take, and blah 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 blah. Look, I'm gonna give y'all the tea. I did my hair myself. If you guys want me to show you how I did it, I can, but honestly, you can probably look up how to do soft locks, how to do crochet locks on YouTube or like on other people's TikTok, and they will happily show you how easy it is. The reason why I started learning how to do my own hair is that I came to this understanding that I was spending way too much money to do hairstyles that I could learn how to do. One thing about me is I feel like all people should learn how to do certain things themselves. One of them being your hair, doing your nails, kind of doing your makeup. Like there's just certain things, like I understand there's services that you can spend money to do it, but you should know how to do it to a certain extent, at least enough where you don't need it. The reason I started doing my own hair and my own nails and my own lashes and stuff is honestly because I just felt as though I realized I was starting to treat like getting beauty services like it was a need, and it's not. I should be able to take care of myself without the help of a service, you know what I mean? Because I just feel like, to me, that's very important, and I'm sure like anybody will say, you know, sometimes it's kind of like the process and the amount of money you spend on getting all these services done. You're spending like $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 a month just to look a certain way when you could easily learn how to do some of these things on your own. Another reason why I started doing my own hair is because I went and got my hair done like this for like $180, $300, and I was just like, and I was watching her do it in the mirror, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this at home. And I went and bought the stuff myself, and I tried it, figured it out, and voila. And I spent only about $65.97, so like $66. $66, sis. I spent $66 on this. But I was spending $300 to get an appointment, drive miles away just to get my hair done, and not being late or I was gonna get a fee. Like, it was just too much going on for $300. I was spending and I had to buy my own hair too. So I really spent like $4 something on this hairstyle when I could have done it myself for only like 66 bucks. So if you guys want more information on this hair, the link is in my bio under my Amazon favorites. I also have my nose cuffs on there and the books I read that help me with my spiritual awakening. But yeah, go check it out if you're interested. Getting your hair done like this.